Hello and welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. The Deputy Governor of Nasarawa State, Dr. Emmanuel Agbadu Agbe, on Friday led a high-power security operation against illegal mining activities in Amba Community, Kokona local government area of the state, resulting in the arrest of several foreign nationals and local miners. The enforcement exercise targeted an illegal mining site where security personnel apprehended suspects allegedly involved in unauthorized mining operations. During the raid, operatives recovered suspected mineral resources stored in cartons, along with a range of equipment believed to have been used in carrying out the illegal activities. Among the items seized were CCTV cameras and other operational materials reportedly installed at the site to facilitate the illegal mining operation. The operation forms part of the Nasarawa state government's ongoing campaign to combat illegal mining. The Nigerian military has confirmed that some students of the Federal Polytechnic Manguno, Borno State were killed when troops foiled an attempted abduction by suspected Boko Haram terrorists in the early hours of Sunday. The attack occurred at about 1:30 a.m. when the insurgents invaded the Federal Government College, Manguno, which currently serves as temporary hostel accommodation for students of the Polytechnic. In a statement, the acting spokesperson of Operation Hadinkai, Captain Mohammed Goni, said troops in collaboration with personnel of the Nigerian Police Mobile Force responded swiftly and engaged the terrorists in a fast gun battle, forcing them to abandon the operation. The Niger State Governor Umaru Bago has called on members of the All Progressive Congress in the state to remain united and continue supporting the party and his administration in the collective effort to advance the development of Niger State. The governor made the appeal during a meeting with aspirants who contested but were unsuccessful in the APC primary election for the Senate, House of Representatives, and Niger State House of Assembly ahead of the 2027 general election. The meeting was held at the Hawa Wali Multipurpose Hall, Government House, Mina. Now from the international scene, an Indian court has rejected a petition from the wife of activist Sonam Wangchuk to release him from illegal detention in a New Delhi hospital, where he was forcibly taken by police after 3 weeks on hunger strike in solidarity with the Cockroach Janta Party CJP protest movement. Despite repeated requests, the hospital has refused to discharge him or allowed us to shift him to a private hospital of our choice, according to the wife. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us on Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.